The fellowship with the Office of the Vice President for Research was equal parts science communication and professional development. The most surprising aspect was the way I connected with the other fellows. I learned to enjoy talking to folks outside of my discipline and have deeper and more meaningful conversations.
So mad at you, but I am.
That's part of it.
Yeah.
We had opportunities to be exposed to these brilliant guest speakers who really helped us prepare for a world in academia and really just tried to make us be the best versions of ourselves.
It was so experiential and it was so interactive. It wasn't just us sitting in a room and listening to a speaker. We really got to put things into practice.
Culture, ranching, and conservation.
They made us feel like really we were part of something special, and they gave us opportunities that you would not encounter otherwise.
Mentorship or advisors or financial support, support for scholarships and travel, those were essential.
The VPR Fellowship will open doors for you for support. You're not alone. This is really stressful. It's stressful to be a graduate student, and as a fellow, you're able to be like an honorable member of this team that will give you extra training, that will give you opportunities to learn and have conversations with peers from other parts of campus and help you, achieve your dreams.